Ho ho hello, Bricksters and Lego friends. This is one fine Santa on a chair. It's certainly better looking than the mall Santas, let me tell you that. It has one big green sofa, which I really love, and the detail of this Santa on the chair is second to none. It's all finished off, there's no studs showing, and it just looks fantastic. The hands, of course, have a little bit to be desired. They kind of remind me of the Brickhead's hands. But, you know, all in all, I love that mustache right there using the flame element in white. And it just is a great Santa Claus feature. This is a great display piece for either your coffee table in front of your TV or just an all-around Christmas ornament. From the top of his tassel to the tip of his boots. I just love this Santa in the chair. The arms are posable. I love the smile, and like I said, the mustache, you can turn it up or point it down. I got to point it down right now. However, this set is remarkable. It's really cool. It's a great decoration in addition to any Christmas scene or village or whatever you might have for that time of year. If you can get your hands on one of these, whether it be through Amazon, eBay, or Bricklink, or wherever it might be, it's not a bad little set. I think I paid around $10 or $12 for it on Amazon at the time. I think it may have been a freebie at one time through Lego when you purchased like $99 or more, but I'm not entirely sure on that. Like I said, I did find it on Amazon, and it was worth the purchase price. Now, I gotta say, I like the eyes on this better than the Brickhead's eyes because they're more natural. They're like, you know, regular eyes type of thing. So therefore, if I have to compare this to a Brickhead's, I'm going to say this is far, far superior to the Brickhead's. It's even finished off in the top of his hat, unlike the new Brickhead's, which is not finished off. And we'll discuss that in the Santa Brickhead's, of course. Getting back to this Santa, I just love it. It's just fantastic. This set is a quick 1 to 2 hour build for any season builder, and a must-have for your Santa display. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.